Hello traders, and welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be looking at the ICT Fibonacci levels for MT4 and MT5. In this video we'll look at how ICT uses Fibonacci retracements and extension levels on MetaTrader charts, how they appear and what they mean inside ICT structure. Without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. On MT4 and MT5, ICT Fibonacci levels are drawn using the standard Fibonacci drawing tool from a swing low to a swing high, or from a swing high to a swing low. For example, I have this one right here. It's classic Fibonacci, and by drawing this, the retracement and extension levels appear as horizontal lines across the chart, just as you can see. Beyond the classic 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, ICT focuses on specific ranges such as the 62 to 79% zone and extensions like the 161.8% as areas of interest for pullbacks and targets, respectively. The 50% level, while not a pure Fibonacci number, is treated as an important equilibrium reference, and many ICT examples show price reacting around the 61.8 to 78.6 or 79% retracement zone. And you can see that a clear example here. This is that level. You see price, this is a sniper, sniped into that 78.6 level, and we had the pullback, had the push to the downside. It's quite simple, it's quite straightforward, and it's expected that once price gets to 78.6, between this level, between these zones, this is 1.8 and the 78.6, we should be expecting a push away from those levels. Now, this Fibonacci levels should traders who already use MetaTrader Fibonacci tools but want to align their levels with ICT concepts like optimal trade entry zones and extension targets. For those who want to take extension targets, you can also use the 161.8. If we do this, you could have to target the 161.8, and you can see this right here. It's a good extended target. You can also target the 127.2%. Yeah, you can add that in the settings. These levels are analytical guides only and do not execute trades. Price can and does run beyond popular fib areas, and relying on them without structure, time of day, or liquidity context can lead to premature entries or exits. To learn more about this strategy, the link is in the description below. Ensure you check it out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future ICT, Fibonacci, and OTE videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.